y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nicely here, back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I reinstalled this wig from Amazon. Okay y'all, so I had to skip the ball cap method because I didn't have a cap to go on my head for my wig, so I had to make it work with what I had. So right now you see me just going in, adjusting the clips and adjusting the wig to my head so it can lay properly. And now I'm going to go in with my ghost bonding glue, and I'm just going to apply one layer of that ghost bonding glue to my head because, like I said, I don't have a cap, and you know I don't want that to damage my edges. So yeah, I'm just going to apply one layer, but if you prefer 2 or 3 layers, then you know you can do what you do, but I'm going to apply one layer. Now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry that until it's clear. Okay, so right here you're going to see me go in with my ghost bonding glue and my blow dryer like a couple of times because I just had some of the lace that didn't want to lay down. So I just had to go back in and lay it down properly because, you know, you want your lace to be giving scalp and not bunky or booky or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what I'm going back and doing right now. Just making sure that that lace is blended into that scalp, honey, because like I said, don't nobody want no booky bunky lace. So yeah. Y'all want to know what's so crazy? Because like when I first got this wig, y'all, like the lace laid down properly with no problems, and like right now it was just giving me a run for my money. Like I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, like I was getting so aggravated at a point in time, and I just had to vibe it out. But eventually, you know, it laid properly. It was giving scalp a little bit, but overall, y'all, like the lace ended up laying really good, and it was giving what it was supposed to give at that point. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna go in with my scissors, and I'm just gonna cut that excess lace off and just look at it. Woof, scalp, honey, yes. Now I'm going in with my spritz, and I'm just going to, you know, just apply that to the lace to give it a more full effect scalp look. And I'm gonna apply my elastic band. This thing is going so fast. Now you see me with my elastic band on, and I'm just going in with my hot comb right now because I just feel like for me, when you got your elastic band on and you go in with your hot comb, I think the lace just lays more flatter than what it already is laying. That's just my opinion. So right now you see me going in with my comb, and I'm just parting out my hair. I didn't know what kind of part I wanted to do at first because I was going for a side part, but that's something that I always do. So I wanted to try something different, so I went ahead and just tried out the little swoop part that everybody does. I'm gonna lie, like I didn't know how it was gonna turn out at first because this is my first time, you know, just trying a different hairstyle. But now I'm gonna go in with the wax stick, and I'm just gonna apply that to the part that I just made to give it a more defined look. And I'm gonna go in with the hot comb and flatten it out, baby. If you want a flat look, you better go get your wax stick and get your hot comb and flatten it out, sweetie. Now I'm just gonna pin that back, and I'm gonna go in with my edge brush and just brush those baby hairs and pull out my baby hairs. That's what you see me doing right now. Because what is a wig without any baby hair? So that's what you see me doing. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb once again. You know, I'm just trying to get this wig to lay super flat because I do not like no bunky wig. I don't like no humps in my wig. So I'm going in with my comb and defining my part a little bit more and just brushing that little side swoop and making sure that it's laying flat with my wax stick and my hot comb. Now I'm going to go in and brush it out and try to get it to swoop to the side of my face. Now right now you see me just going in and, you know, just trying to get it to be more defined. And I'm going to go in and put that piece of hair right there in a ponytail in the back of my hair. That's what I'm doing right now. Actually turned out cute. So right now I'm just brushing out the hair. I'm going in with my spritz and just making sure that that swoop is firm and in place, and I don't want it to just move anywhere. So I'm just going in and just making sure that it stays in place. Now I'm going to go in and just comb out the hair a little bit more. I'm going in with my hot comb once again. You can never go wrong with that hot comb, I promise. But I'm going to make sure that wig lays flat every time. So right now I'm going back in with the hot comb and just I'm a hot comb my head to death. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a hot comb mine to death. One thing about it and two things for sure, baby. Now see, that wig is going to be laid and it's going to be flat, okay? So right now I'm just going in with my comb and I'm pulling out the baby hairs and cutting the baby hairs. And I'm going to curl them and just, you know, lay those baby hairs down. Because like I said, what's a wig without a baby hair? I just love baby hairs. They're just, you know, they just bring the wig to life to me. That's my opinion. But yeah, I actually just fell in love with this look, y'all. I didn't think it was going to turn out really cute, but it really did. And I'm loving it already. Now I'm just going in, to adjust those baby hairs. Now I like to put spritz on my baby hairs because I just feel like they stay in place more and longer. That's my opinion. But yeah, so now I'm going to go in with my comb and part out my sideburns, and I'm going to curl my sideburns to my liking. But overall, you guys, like, I'm telling y'all, like, I'm absolutely in love with this wig. For me to just be able to go in and install this wig more than once, I just feel like for me, that's a good quality wig. That's good quality hair. And honestly, if you're looking for an affordable wig, make sure you just check my description down below. I'll make sure to leave the link for this hair. And yeah, like, just look at it. It's giving already. Like, I'm not even done. I'm already in love with it. But right now you see me just going in with my Got To Be spray. I don't even know what that's got to be. I forgot the name of that spray. But yeah, so now I'm going in with my hot comb and my spray. And I'm just getting rid of those flyaways. Like, it did have a couple of flyaways that I didn't like. So I just used my hot comb and my spray to lay it down. So right now I'm going to go in with my matte concealer and my brush to just define the part a little bit, to give it a more like defined look, I guess you could say. A more defined part. That's what you could say. And I'm going to go in with my spritz and go over that. And I'm going back in with my hot comb once again. But now I'm going to go in with my flare down that I got from Amazon, I think. Yeah, I think I got that flat down from Amazon. So now I'm going to go in with that and just flat down the hair and straighten it out. That's what you see me doing. Like, but you guys, like, overall, this look came out really prettier than what I thought it was going to come out, y'all. Like, I'm honestly in love with it. For it to be my first time trying this look, I think I did an amazing job. Tell me down in the comments below what y'all think and how y'all think the look turned out for y'all. But honestly, it's an easy go-to look. I can't even lie, it was very easy, and I don't know why I was just tripping. Like, I didn't know it was going to be easy. But right now I'm just going to go in and cut a little layer into the hair. And yeah, this definitely won't be my last time installing this wig. I can promise y'all that. Because one thing y'all going to learn about me is if I don't do anything else, I am going to take care of my hair. I'm going to take care of my wigs because I just don't feel like it's really necessary to go out and spend all that type of money on $300, $400, $500 wigs when you can just take care of the ones that you buy. But yeah, so definitely won't be my last time installing this wig. And I was able to try this new look with y'all. So if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell post notifications so you can always be updated every time I drop a video. And yeah, this is the finished look. When I put a little back and forth.